Hi! In front of me is iPhone 14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this Apple device. Start by accessing device settings and click on Face ID and passcode. Then enter your current passcode and click on Setup Face ID. Now just get started and follow the instructions. Click Continue. And continue one more time. Now just done, and then when I turn off my screen, turn it back on. I guess that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!